Hello friend, this is Kaveri and welcome back to my channel. I have a small suggestion for you that those who think that we can't do these types of YouTube activities and we are not capable of facing camera and we don't think that we can talk properly. We have children, especially for the girls I'm telling, women's I'm telling that if you think that you have lots of problem, you have to make time to time meals and you have to feed your child, you have to feed to the other members. Just think that everybody is having 24 hours in their hand, and those who are doing extra activities like doing YouTube and all, they are also the same person who belongs to the same life which we are. So problems will arise in everybody's life, but if we think that by holding those problem, by giving some lame excuses, we can't get success in life. We will have to live like this and one day we will die by this type of life only. We have to lead this life only. If you want to build your confidence level, if you want to groom yourself, if you think that no, I want to give myself an extra level of better life, then you can do it. Everybody can do it, because thanks means a huge round of applause for this platform, especially this platform. This platform gave everybody chance to build their career, build whatever they want to be. So huge salute to YouTube. So I'm also doing my journey great. I know that I have also problems. I have my small kids and lots of things are happening in my life and blah blah blah. But no matter, life is like this. Life is life is having ups and downs. So one day I'll succeed. I hope. I'm optimistic, and like me, I'm also a beginner. And you people are those who are watching my video, those who are beginner. I'm telling this to you that don't lose hope. One day you will succeed. Yeah, if I can do by just keeping aside my problems, my health issues, my lots of things, then I think you also can. So let's learn English together, boost our confidence level, and try to speak in front of the camera. Just make videos. First, make videos and think and sorry and just to monitor yourself that how you are saying, and after that you will just again you will practice by doing videos, by speaking in front of the camera. And the moment you think that yes, I can speak properly, at that moment you give it to the YouTube, in YouTube, upload it into YouTube. And another thing is that, like me, those who think that they don't have enough time to do these types of videos repeatedly, so for them I'm saying, whatever you know, whatever you are thinking, just speak up, just speak up, just speak up. No matter, this platform is a very wonderful, fantastic platform. And whatever the other people say, don't bother about it. Just monitor yourself that today what you are speaking, are you better the next day, are you better the means day after tomorrow. It's like this, you monitor yourself. Whatever grammatical mistake, leave. Just speak up, just speak up, just speak up. Stand and speak, stand and speak. If you fall down, if you are thinking that no, this is here, grammatical mistake is there, I low means लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, कहने दो. Tell them, means let them tell whatever they want to say. See, I am also making so many mistakes, but what will happen at the end of the day? I can speak. I don't have anybody to speak. Means I don't have that much friend circle. I don't go outside of my house. Not too much. I used to. I don't used to go too much outside of my house. So what will I do? We are also human beings. We are also having feelings. So we can share here. We can share here. What we can share? We can share whatever we are doing. Yes, Mama. Okay. So this much for today. My daughter is calling me. Okay. Bye bye.